All right, so you've got all these little things that clutter up your desk, things that you use all the time that you don't want to particularly pack away or have to pull in and out all the time. So what do you do with them? How do you organize them? Well, I got a little tip for you. A quick, cheap, and simple solution, and potentially a very nice looking solution, is to use a cigar box. A lot of people don't realize, but the cigar boxes nowadays are actually very well made, solid wood, and perfect for storing those extra things that you have on your desk. Hey guys, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and let's jump into how I use like a cigar box on my desk to have quick access to the stuff that I use all the time. Now, as far as cigar boxes go, they're really easy to get. You can basically go to a cigar shop, and in most cases, they're trying to get rid of their old ones, so you can buy them for a couple bucks. You can get anything from something very simple, like this wooden cigar box here, with these nice little latches, ready to put stuff in. You can step it up a little bit and get the one that I showed you at the beginning, with a nice little lift-up lid here, nice and solid, ready to sit on your desk. This one can be a little bit big. They have a little bit nicer boxes like this. This one's a little scratched up, but it's nice. Keep some of your stuff in there for easy access. But the one I ended up using was this nice little compact Julius Caesar box. You can see that it has leather all around the outside. It has a nice little latch here that buttons down. So let's take a look at what I have inside. So I've got some of my merch. And this is all the stuff that I'm using all the time, little quick access stuff. Altoids tin, this is where I kind of keep all the little tools and stuff that I use all the time. And instead of having it just sit on the desk, I now actually have two of them, where I keep some little doodads, little things that I use, nice and organized inside of there. I have a couple quick access cables for when something needs to be charged. A little anchor block fits in there perfectly. Got my Tozo earbuds, cigar cutter, little keyboard puller that I use all the time. I switch my keys in and out every once in a while. This little voltage tester, which I use to make sure that these cables are putting out the right amount of power. So I'm using the right cable and the right connector. Have a little tape measure in case I need to measure something. Well, not that long, I guess. It's my little USB adapter for the iPhone. I use this all the time when I'm transferring from my phone to my external hard drive, like this video that I'm doing right now. And I guess a pack of matches. But that's it, right? If this stuff was always just sitting on my desk ready for me to access, it would just be Clutter City. So now, easy enough to just toss this stuff back into the box when I'm done with it. With no issues, with clutter on my desk. Again, super easy to access, out of the way. And that's it. This will sit up on the corner of my desk. If I wanted to put my charger up on top of it, if I wanted to put my speaker up on top of it, it's good to go. It's something that looks clean, nice, and easy. And again, cigar boxes are generally overlooked because a lot of people don't have access to them. But like I said, you can easily run into any cigar shop in your local area, and they usually have a pile of them sitting right there. Pick the nicest one you want and go to town. But other than that, thanks for watching. If you thought this was pretty cool, hit like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.